Ashish Kumar. I am from Samastipur, Bihar, which is known for Pusa Agricultural University. My father's name is Mr. Sushil Kumar Sharma. He is a farmer. I have completed 12th in 2019 with 77% marks from A&D College, Shahpur Patodi. Now I am pursuing BSc first year from LNMU, Darbhanga. In my free time, I like to play badminton and listening to music. My strength is that I am socially stable, and my weakness is that I believe anyone easily. And for it, we take meditation daily. I want to join Indian Air Force because it provides adventurous and disciplined life and for family welfare also. Now, common to a topic is rural pollution. Rural pollution is caused due to main causing is due to agriculture. After wasting of material of agriculture by harvesting, by cutting, and many causes that cause the rural pollution. Also gets stubble burning in many states. Thank you.
Good evening to all of you. I am Vishal Kumar from Siwan district of Bihar. I completed my intermediate in 2018. Now I am pursuing in BSc second year with physics honors. I like to play kabaddi in my leisure time, and also I like to in wrestling. I want to join Indian Air Force because it provides us a golden opportunity to serve our motherland as a member of glorious service. My weaknesses is I have less communication skill whenever I talk in English. For that, I always read newspaper and try to talk with my seniors. And my strength is I have good learning efficiency and I always work on it. Today we got the topic rural pollution. The main cause behind the rural pollution is the increment in technology and the agriculture and not proper use of the that's all.
Hello friend, my name is Pankaj. I am from Khammam district of Bihar. It is famous for the municipality of Khammam, Bihar. I have passed in 2019 with Bihar board and 74% marks. Currently I am doing BSc with famous University RR. There are 6 members in my family. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housemaker. We are 4 siblings. My hobby is reading newspaper and free time I like painting. I want to join Indian Air Force because it's give a golden opportunity to serve our nation and it's love a sky blue dress and it's also love this to touch the sky with glory. My weakness is I can believe easily any person and my strength is simply and hard working. It is all about me. Now I come to a topic which is given to us, rural pollution. Rural pollution. As we know that our country, some more population stay in rural area and so thanks.
Hello friends, I am Raju Kumar from West Champaran of Bihar. My father's name is Mr. Shambhu Mato. He is a farmer. I have done my 12th in 2019 with 82% marks. Currently, I am doing my graduation by Muzaffarpur University. I want to become an airman because it gives a discipline and an adventurous life. I spend my free time in gardening and teaching. I believe anyone which is my weakness. For that, I meditating daily, and my positive attitude is my strength. Now I come to our topic. Today my topic is rural pollution. As you know that there are many pollution in rural areas as like soil pollution, air pollution, and also water pollution. Its main causes behind the stubble burning and excess of use of fertilizer and awareness of people. Nowadays we saw that every person's go outside to search. That's all.
Yes, friend, as we saw, whenever we go through urban area to rural area, we saw the pollution rate is increasing day by day. The main cause behind it is the awareness about because if you talk the technically advanced and the technology and the use of fertilizer is the cause behind the pollution in rural area, then awareness should be required.
Yeah.
What to and where to use and how to use the fertilizer and technology. And now we also see the vehicle number of vehicles is increasing in rural
Increasing day
area
by day.
also day by day,
Yeah.
and our urban area is already affected by the pollution.
If friends, if we compare the rural areas and urban areas, then we we got in rural areas less pollution compared to urban area, but it's increasing nowadays because most of people wants to wants मतलब, lack of awareness and vehicles increasing day by day in in rural areas, and most of the farmers lives in urban rural areas who use excess of fertilizer that
Yes, but you are
causes
saying right.
soil pollution and also water pollution.
Yes, but you are saying right. Only water pollution, soil pollution is increasing in rural areas. But if we talk about the air pollution, then it mostly increase and with the rate of like V structure
Yeah.
in urban area. And
Also
now it
It
takes
also
place.
engages in rural areas also. That's like we use fuel as a petroleum in
Yeah.
harvesting, threshing, and watering of crops.
Yes,
Yeah,
but
our,
And in this, when we are when in the season of that's like harvesting in March, April session, it is a very polluted in rural areas because we got threshing, watering crops, and also cutting crops, and also all are the made by only technical, and we increase it day by day technically in agriculture sector.
Friends,
And it
air
also
pollution
causes
is
the-
one of the most causes to
Rural
increase
pollution.
the rural pollution in also in air pollution. As you know that in Punjab and Haryana, most of farmers by the after the cultivating stubble burning happening.
yes, man, it's a very good point given by
You
you.
also give
The main reason behind the rural pollution, our farmers use like nitrogens, nitrous oxides, and phosphorus. There's
Yeah.
many chemicals in our crops. That
fertilizer.
creates soil pollution and air pollution.
Yes, but that's why the fertility of soil is decreasing day by day,
Yeah.
and it's also a cause of soil pollution. And
also water level is also decreased day by day because we in many states we see that we used only 2 crops and we grow only 2 crops, and that's like situation also we get in the Punjab and Haryana and many states also, not because in our state also we used only 2 crops because we farmers are only for go for money, and
Yes, but you are
we
saying
get
that,
increase our economic condition. That's like its situation
yes,
is like
yes,
water
but
level
you
is
are saying
also
right, but
decreases day by day.
but this type of only 2 grains are not important to be improve our economic condition, but because many types of grains, if we talk about the botany and the medicinal plant,
Yeah.
it is also give very and it's also provide us a very good economic rate, and the
Friends,
it's a
if,
good it have also good.
Friends, if we wants to increase of our land fertilizing, then we मतलब विभिन्न different types of
Also
crops
we use
in
the नगद
planting.
मतलब कि नगद फसल जैसे कि हम तंबाकू
English,
यूज करते हैं,
please.
we use tobacco and that's like सरसों,
Yes, but this type
and also we use dal because its rate is grow
High.
daily day by day, and it is very proteinous plant and
You saw
crop.
that in rural areas, most of when the person after 60 years then facing problem with breathing and also many causes. Its main causes of air pollution and
yes, friend, by the pollution many type of disease
diseases
is happening in our society, and new type of disease is come
Also
in
by
front of us.
get
It's
and
also
more
affect our
fertilizer in
skin.
our soil,
Pollution is
and
also
we get
affect our
also
skin.
affect our stomach, like we get pain in stomach, gastric situations also created, and we see that every person have this problem.
yeah.
Yes, friend, if you talk about the
And this-
achievement of our government to eradicate the pollution in rural areas, then government in some decades we saw government has launched many schemes to eradicate the, but the lack of awareness people should not people will not get the proper profit of the scheme launched by our government.
It's a good
And
initiative of our government. That
Also,
as like
also friends, please see that our government, our farmers are not educated. First of all, we get appreciate that why how he farming in
Yes,
our
but you are
and how
saying
use
right.
fertilizer
For-
in our
for-
his soil and
Yes.
what is his soil water level and what is his soil irritated
Yes,
in
but
this
you are saying
condition.
that for our latest information, I want to say government has already employed some specialist in the agriculture in the rural areas and in on the block level and the panchayat level also. They should doing their work and we will have to judge them what they are doing their work properly or not and inform the our officials about them, and this is the mean of awareness to decrease the pollution and increase the agriculture. And
Also, our government also take a very big initiative in Swachh Bharat Abhiyan and all people have get Shauchalaya also, and he provides also money for Shauchalaya and it also provides a house scheme.
but a lot of people does not use
And in this
Shauchalaya,
section,
because
in this
it
section also
awareness,
corruption takes place because we see that every person has take a 10,000 rupees, but he has get only 8,000. 2,000 rupees is get corrupted by our
corrupted
any
official.
corrupted officers and at like Bicholia. It
Yes,
is
but
also
you are
a very
saying that what
bad
about the-
situation in our rural production also.
In rural area, many people will not attend in proper education, a lack of literacy in rural area also, and our governments like point polythene and things to
But
our
now-
ozone layer is decreased day by day. Creates the pollutions and in rural area people not follow the government's rules. He not use bag in their place of polythene.
Paper bag.
As you say
Yes,
that
ma'am.
the former speaker, most of people does not follow the rule and the regulation. For
Yes.
then our government should be a strict rule behind it. If a person not follow the rule and the regulation, we punish them.
yes, friend.
And
Yeah, government
in my
also
way,
take
we should
initiative
not
in this section is
insist
that
on any rule
ban
directly.
polythene also.
We should aware them about
aware,
the
yeah.
disadvantage of polythene and disadvantage of anything that are harmful for us.
So government
Yes,
should be
friends, our
advertise
government, Bihar
it,
government
how
also
to
take
how to
initiative in
affect
this
our
section that he ban a
environment
polythene. He bans polythene and used paper bag also. And in our marketplace we see that polythene is banned. But nowadays people are not aware in this and rules and regulations are not strict by the government. And this
Yeah.
is reason
In
also
rural area, that
again
person
if
who
it-
strongly,
again polythene.
He strong is in incomely, then he use AC who creates more
This also creates greenhouse gases.
Fluorocarbons.
Yeah.
But if you use in place of AC like fans, coolers, then
Yes, friend.
not creates
If you
more
are
pollution.
say about
Yes, it
the
also affect mainly cause on greenhouse gases and
Greenhouse
it also get ozone layer
If we talk
affected
about
and
the greenhouse
take a global,
gases, it-
global warming
the
situation.
greenhouse gases is mainly and the
Quality
increasing in urban area.
Also, friends,
Urban, but who incomely strong
You saw
person
that,
stay in rural area who also use
Economically.
AC.
friends,
Yeah.
as you know that in rural area most of people wash our cattle in river and a pond. It is most causes of our water pollution. Because our क्या बोलते हैं cattle
If you talk about the animals which are washes in the
Yeah.
river, then we saw the water of river is only in the rural area used for the irrigation of the planting.
Yeah,
plant.
friends,
But
we also
Not for the proper use of our own work like drinking and also.
but it's cause of pollution, water
Yes,
pollution.
friend, you are
Because
saying right.
most of places people drink river water, which places not
Ground level water is very
Yeah.
very low.
also we friends we included that in this section our in rural area we see that many peoples and many population increase on the bank of river, and he got wastage material in the river and his pipes and his
Yes, friend, you were saying that
toilet pipes also
Yes,
got
that's
in this,
but
and
also
it,
use like
it
chemicals,
is
would like nitric sites, and so he flow in rivers.
With the-
then creates
and
more,
due to this water pollution
pollution.
also increases in rural area, because in a few years ago we see that river water is
And so
drinking
now
for,
we should include our topic.
and
because
now
a lot of
we
time
should
has spent.
include that
Now it's
our
time for
conclusion
conclusion.
is that first of all we person also are aware, and we take own responsibility, and also government take a strict rule for this, and also follow these rules by the all persons and peoples.
Yes, friend, I agree with you. As here he is saying, our government should implement the strict rule to to the people, and we should also aware about them who is not illiterate, who is illiterate. And now we saw the literacy rate in rural area is increasing day by day, but we what we should do about those who are already illiterate, and who is over 40 age. And whenever we talk the youth has this responsibility to aware the people which
Parents,
about the agriculture and the rural pollution in rural area.
I
That's
think, friends, I think rural pollution is is very very big problem in rural areas. It's causes mainly causes awareness of awareness. So our government should advertise them how to how to cultivate, how to use any things that's
by the company we should
Yeah.
also advertise that type of
That's all.
matter.
Yes, friend, I fully agree with you. Government so provides many schemes in rural area to decrease pollution. I like the pollution in Bihar, but people does not follow the government's rules. It's a lack of awareness in people. So, as you know, our country is more populations in young populations. So young does not follow the government's rules.